viewers, my name is Roslyn and welcome to Daily Kitchen Makings. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how I make one of my all-time favorite comfort foods, yam porridge. Flavorful and packed with goodness, this dish is a perfect blend of tender yams, savory spices, and rich textures that will leave you wanting more. Whether you're a first timer or a seasoned chef, you're going to love how easy and delicious this is. So grab your apron and let's dive into the magic of yam porridge. Traditionally, yam porridge is made with palm oil, which gives it a rich, distinctive color and flavor. But today, I'll be switching things up by using vegetable oil. This is a great option if you prefer a lighter, more neutral taste, or if palm oil isn't readily available. It will still bring out the flavor of the spices and allow the yam to cook to a perfect creamy consistency. Whether you're looking for a lighter twist or just trying something new, vegetable oil works beautifully in this dish. The other ingredients I'll be using for this recipe are crushed seasoning cubes, which brings a depth of flavor that enhances every bite of the yam porridge. Next, all-purpose seasoning, which gives the dish that perfect harmony of flavor. Next, smoked fish, which gives an authentic traditional taste that's hard to resist. We also have the curry powder that adds a warm aromatic layer to the dish. Next, we have the thyme that adds a fresh herbaceous and minty flavor to the dish. We also have the ground crayfish, and trust me guys, this is a secret ingredient that delivers a savory umami boost with a touch of sweetness from the seafood essence, deepening the flavor of the yam porridge. Next, we have the garlic powder, which adds a touch of warmth to the seasoning mix without overpowering the dish. Next, we have the ginger powder that brings a gentle heat to the dish. We also have the onion that creates a sweet aromatic base, caramelizing as they cook to add a rich savory flavor to the yam porridge. Also, we have the pepper mix, which is a mixture of blended tomato, onion, scotch bonnet pepper, bell pepper, and chili pepper. The next ingredient is the unground crayfish, which adds a chewy, textural element and infuses the dish with a deeper seafood-rich flavor, making each bite more interesting. We also have black pepper, which adds a sharp, slightly pungent flavor to the dish. Next, we have the simple but essential ingredient, salt, that enhances all the other flavors. And finally, I'll be topping it off with some green vegetables for color and extra nutrition. This meal is simple, yet packed with flavor. The first thing I did here was to heat up some vegetable oil. Then next, I tossed in some onions and fried them until they were soft and golden brown. Next, I added the curry powder and thyme in order to give that aromatic layer. Next, I tossed in some of the unground crayfish. I also added the smoked fish. I fried this for about 2 minutes and then I went in with the pepper mix and allowed it to cook for a few minutes until the oil starts to rise to the surface and the sauce thickens slightly. This cooking process helps to reduce the sharpness of the tomatoes and concentrates the flavors. At this point, I began to layer in the seasonings, the crushed seasoning cube, the black pepper, the ginger powder, the garlic powder, the all-purpose seasoning, and then I stirred everything together and let the spices release their aroma into the sauce. Now that the base sauce is packed with flavor, I am adding the yam. I've already peeled and cut the yam into bite-sized cubes. This size helps it cook evenly and absorb all the delicious flavors. Here, I am just making sure that each yam piece is coated with that rich, savory goodness. I also added some water in order to cook the yams. One is to be careful not to add too much water as we want the porridge to be thick and creamy and not soupy. At this point, I cover the pot and let it simmer on medium heat for about 30 minutes. I occasionally stirred it to prevent sticking, but I was also careful not to mash the yams too much because I still needed some texture in the porridge. So while the yam porridge is cooking, I would like to share some fun facts about yam porridge and its ingredients with you. 1. Did you know that yams and sweet potatoes are often confused? Yams are starchy and dry, while sweet potatoes are sweeter and softer. Yam porridge is traditionally made with yams for that perfect creamy texture. 2. Palm oil, often used in yam porridge, is rich in vitamin E and antioxidants. It is also what gives traditional yam porridge that beautiful golden red color. 3. Ground crayfish, a common seasoning in African dishes, is packed with umami, which is often called the fifth taste, giving dishes like yam porridge a rich, savory flavor. 4. The fruited pumpkin leaves, which is commonly known as ugu, often added to yam porridge, is a popular leafy vegetable in West Africa. It is not only tasty but also rich in iron and vitamins, making your porridge as healthy as it is delicious. And here, I finally added the green leafy vegetable to give the yam porridge color and extra nutrition. I allow this to cook for only 2 minutes because I want the vegetables to soften just a bit but still keep their vibrant color and freshness. And there you have it! Our delicious, comforting yam porridge is ready! The yams are soft and creamy, the sauce is rich and flavorful, and the vegetables add that final touch of freshness. Whether you're serving this for family or enjoying it all by yourself, it's a dish that's guaranteed to satisfy. If you liked this recipe, Do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to the channel for more delicious meals. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!